The Liam Forex Indicator truly provides a stable and unchanging signal when it issues a trading signal. This means that when the indicator gives a signal, that signal is not dependent on future price changes. So, you can confidently act on the signal provided by the Liam Forex Indicator because you can trust in its stability and consistency. This feature is crucial as it instills greater confidence in traders in their trading decisions and eliminates concerns about signal adjustments after issuance. Therefore, when the Liam Forex Indicator gives you a signal, you can continue your trade with calmness and confidence, aiming for profitability in the Forex market. As a trader, having confidence in the trading signals and strategies you employ is paramount. The Liam Forex Indicator provides you with the confidence that when you see a signal, you can trust it and execute your trade because you are assured of its stability and strength. Leverage the Liam Forex Indicator as a powerful ally for your trading decisions and relish the positive impact it has on your trading experience. This indicator assists you in achieving greater profitability and enhancing your performance in the Forex market.
I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all. I'm gonna be better. Let's talk about. Time and one more night without your hands, without